Well, good morning. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. Um, Originally wasn't going to stream, but then I thought about it. I was like, sure, why not? Why not? We're just working on this, trying to finish up. Um, you know, really would like to get it all straightened out. Um, what would be bad if I put this in the chat? I don't think. I don't know. I'll get to some tunes here going in just a minute. One of the biggest things I'll probably be working on today is actually going to be um, the application form. And so I'd like to get the form built today. Um, and if I have enough time, we'll go ahead and wire it up. Because I would really like for it to submit to a Google Docs for a spreadsheet. Just because I think that's sufficient for now. I thought about like potentially like making it go to a CMS entity or um, uh, or what do you call it? Or potentially just go into a database or um, just let it going to the Webflow CMS or the Webflow forms. And I think from a usability standpoint, especially like what they'll be doing with it and how few there will be, it probably makes sense just have it go to like a spreadsheet, like you would do like one of the forms inside of Google Docs, and then just go there, and then you could filter, you can mark them, and all that good jazz. So I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. Probably we'll use something like Zapier or one of those automated tools to help us out with that. So it just depends on how we want to do it. All right. Sorry, I wanted to check a couple of things. And of course, I'm always open to suggestions. If you have other ideas for that, I will totally would like to hear that. All right. Looks like everything's going. And we'll go ahead and get started. Okay. So the form, the form, the form, the form. there it is. Public. I was like, I know I have this form already in here somewhere, or at least the basis of it, right? Like, obviously, it's not gonna, you know, great. All right. So let's see here. What we got? What we got? What we got? So contact info, full name, email, phone number, address. Oof. Do we have an address field in here? Because if not, I don't want to put one of those together. They're never fun. Let's see here. Form. We got a button. Text area checkbox input. So no. Oh man. All right. How about inside of the component library? Logo, career, events, category. Buttons, headings, modals, sliders, accordions, inputs. No. Da, 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 da. Yeah, let's steal one of these. Steal. It's not stealing because we do pay for the subscription, so otherwise it wouldn't be here. Let's go with one of these, like this one, and let's just add it into our page right below our current form that we're working on. Which I think is that one. Yes, because that's that one. Okay, cool. And we'll just add it to the main wrapper. Boop. Gotta say the boop. Gotta have the boop. Hit the boop. Hit the boop. Okay. And we're going to go into the form and we're going to find our, so it's this one. Oh, no, it's all three of these. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3. Da-da, 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 da-da. That's a lot of nesting. That is a lot of nesting. A lot, a lot, a lot. And we'll go ahead and add the other one while we're here, which I think it was this one. If not, we can just delete it. It's not worth me scrolling back down there to find out. Can only paste it in a form. Oh, my bad. I clicked the wrong element. It's okay. And, oh, I missed one. We need the, I guess now we'll scroll down. This one. Alrighty. And what else we got going on? So there is our country, city, state, zip, and street address. And then we're just going to put these somewhere up here. Yeah, that's going to go. And up one more. Below that one. Stop trying to put it in stuff, my boy. All right. There is our country. And we're just going to change that from the max width medium class and change it to our form build wrapper. There we go. You know what? We should get some tunes going. But if it starts getting laggy or my machine starts to take off, we'll turn it back off. Because yesterday, man, this thing was slow. And right now it seems pretty okay. So I can only imagine that it's Spotify causing some issues here. All right.
Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what
Okay, so we got that. Let's move. That one's dead. Okay, need something a little less. All right. I don't know. We might have to switch it up in a minute. Need something a little bit lo-fi this morning. I'm not. I certainly ain't ready prepared for that. I'll tell you that. So is anybody working on a similar project? Or have you used Relume in the same way or anything like that? This is literally my like I've played with Relume a couple of times. This is like my very first official Relume project. All right, here we go. What else we got?
there's a street address, and let's get our city, state, zip. Let's get it up there. So another thing, why I think using these no-code tools are neat, and all that good jazz, I really dislike having to use my mouse as much. It's partially because I need a new mouse, because the left click is sometimes it doesn't register. Like it'll do like the single, but if you do like a drag and drop, it does not act right. But I've had this for a long time now. It's always one of those things, like as someone who spends an enormous amount of time in front of this screen, your peripherals have to be replaced pretty often. And then you want to get nice stuff because otherwise it tear up so easily. I've for the last few times been getting these Logitech MX Anywheres. Very nice. Like it's one of my favorite. Like it's not very big, which is funny because usually you would think you'd want a big mouse, but I like being able to throw it in my backpack pretty easily. And the Anywhere, I used to have like glass tables and stuff, so it worked really well on those. And the weight's important because the batteries are actually inside of this thing. So I like all those aspects. Okay, so we got our city, state, zip, all that good stuff inside there. What else we got? What's next? Okay, so there's our contact information. To add a field set around here. Because otherwise it's just like a giant. Well, you know what? We'll do that part later. We'll just get everything in here first. I think I hear one of my kids coming down the stairs. So if it is, I am going to take the camera off for a minute.
Maybe I'm an
downstairs. Did you guys see this? This just popped up on my thing, and I am super excited about it. Like, I didn't see it yesterday. Like, I can't. This is really cool. I don't know what it's supposed to.
Stop.
Light it up, represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, represent, had to do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Sorry, I had to cut the music because it was causing a lot of processing from OBS here. Like, I just can't. I can't let it go. It's just way too much. So, but anyways, this is one of the, I really can appreciate this feature. Yeah, I am super excited for this feature. I do this all the time because a lot of times, like if you're doing a whole bunch of stuff and you have it, you're working with it and you're kind of going through stuff, doing a bunch of iterations and things. One of the things that happens, especially in chat in the window, because I don't I don't have a wired up to open UI, although I've thought about switching my personal one over to that. Um, One of the biggest things that you run into is that the use of that one chat just gets really slow after a while. And so what I end up doing is like, hey, create a prompt to give me the same context that we're currently looking at so we can continue this conversation in new chat. um, and that works pretty well. But it's still kind of a pain in the butt. This will be so much nicer because you can be like, in a new one. So I am really excited for this. This is really cool. I wonder if it does it now. I wonder if it's already in here. Let's see. Let's see. I don't think it's here yet. Refresh. Hmm. No, I don't see it yet. I see the read aloud, but I don't see branch in new chat. So I wonder. I don't have that one yet. I'm logged in. I don't have it yet. So they're probably doing like a slow rollout. So hopefully you can see that soon. I'm really excited for this one. This is because that is one of the most annoying things. I don't know if you've ever experienced that, but when you're working on stuff, you're kind of going through, and that chat gets super long, and it's just ridiculous. Or if you just want to like compartmentalize, like you want to go off into a tangent and kind of go, explore that a little bit, but yet still be able to come back and without having to like, oh wait, I wanted that information, and it's way up there. It's really annoying. I like it. I like it. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, what else we got going on? Let's get back to what we were working on. Sorry, I had to kill the tunes. I would like to have tunes, but there's got to be a different way to do that so it's not causing OBS to just tear up my machine. Because right now my machine is back to being calm. And let's see, where are we at? I might need a newer machine. Well, I do need a newer machine because even at work, it's causing issues. Like, yeah, well, we're still up there. Like my machine is crying. It's like, please help. What are you gonna do? It'll be okay. All right. Anyways, we were working on a form. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? So we got the address. Cool. Next thing is like a home. So we got a setting. So right now,
I don't feel like designing this. So I'm trying to figure out. I was like, okay, I want to do this obviously with the first name, last name, email, phone number, country, street address, all that good stuff. But how else do I want to lay this thing out? I'm not sure. But we can go ahead and add our next field. Our next field is going to be a, let's go ahead and just copy, paste. Uh, so actually we're going to copy paste this one. And let's go ahead and this is not a topic. It is going to be setting. And here actually there's just a couple things. We'll do, this is like a quick rough. Although I'm not following it to a T. Yeah, it's ChatGPT. You could tell. It's like, but it's good enough to work with, I think. Just give me a general idea of how to lay this out. So it's just a thought. I'm probably not going to follow it very well. Okay, so setting. We'll do drop down urban. And choose one. Let's see here. Let's see here. Urban. And suburban. And rural. You ever hear that thing where it's like one of those, like you can't deny that your country if you depending on the way that you say rule. That and what was it? Crayon. Is that the other one? Okay. And what we'll do with that, we're actually going to create a form filled 2 columns. So we'll take whoa. Is that inside of there? It sure is. All right, that's the easiest way to. That's not what I meant to do. Move it out. No, out. Out. All right, now we got the setting, and then we're gonna wrap in a new div. We're gonna call that one form field 2 column. Yay! And then we'll add the other one right next to it, which is going to be, let's check our image again. Home type. Home type. Home type, and it'd be like apartment, condo, townhouse, single house, you know, other. You know, that good stuff. All right, so let's see here. Apartment. Whoa. Although for this purpose, well, I guess it does because it kind of indicates what is rented and what's not. Townhouse, townhouse. And one more. Other. The other. Live in a tent. Although I don't think you would be buying a box. Okay. All right, so we got setting, home type. What's next? Next is renter own, and then landlord, and then the fenced toggle. So I think we could probably get away with a 3 underneath that because that probably makes the most sense there. So we're just going to copy that. Well, let's duplicate. Duplicate. And then we'll move it to where it needs to go. Under our 2 column there. Boop. Above that other one. Come on, come on, come on. No. But not inside. Over, yes. That's not right. I had it right. It's just not showing me. Gotta be right. Yeah, okay. And what we have here is going to be rent or own. Rent or own, and then landlord allows pets. And we'll change this to a toggle. And then fenced yard. Fenced yard. Okay. And then we're actually going to change this type of field into. Oh man, what is that from? You know, the changes into. Oh man, what is that from? Oh, I'm gonna think about this for a minute. In the shape of, oh, is it? Oh man. Yeah. Is it Animorphs? I don't know. Did it say that? Oh man, this had me going for a minute. Anybody? Oh. Oh man, I can't remember it. Is it Wonder Twins? It's gotta be. I think it's Wonder Twins. Because they do the activate, and then immediately after the activate, they. Let's see here. Yes, that was it. Okay. Wonder Twins form of, that's what it is. Form of, okay. That's what it was. All right. Whew. I was about to go crazy. Safe. Okay. There's a label. Now let's add our. Oh, no, we need a new. We want toggle. So we want a select list or checkbox. Basic button, label, text area, checkbox, radio button. And we're gonna call it. And then, hey. And then we're gonna do one more. Duplicate. And this one is gonna say no. And then we'll get rid of this guy because we don't actually need the input there. Now the question is, holy moly. What? Okay, so now we need to wrap these in a div. Wrapping a do, wrapping a do, wrapping a do. And then push this down. No, 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 no. Pull the div in the div, got a div, do 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 do. That's annoying, isn't it? Well, first thing I want to do is I want to flex what's on the inside of it. So we get it, you know, left and right. And then we're going to add, we'll do it center, 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 center top, I guess. And then we're going to add a little gap in between those two options. So it's actually noticeable. And next thing we need to do, I guess, because we need to, we're going to display this. Oh man, can't do both. We'll flex it. Where's our clear both? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I really don't like having music. Really don't like not having music. There we go. It's really annoying. All right, we'll do it like that. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If we do it that way, um, hmm. What do you think? Vertical or horizontal? I kind of like it horizontal, personally. I think that's what I'm going to go with. Totally open to suggestions though. Like if you think it's dumb, um, then we can change it. But I think it's fine. We'll flex it and have the 50 pixels in between. All right, we're going to do the same thing here, which basically to save us a little effort, we're just going to copy and paste, copy and paste, copy, and then we're going to delete the field that was there, and that is it. We do need to adjust the values so that just so it has the right information in the form. Excuse me. The settings. I think it's settings. There we go. And this will be fenced yard. Go to the button field. Go to the radio button field. Come on. There we go. Finished yard. All right. And next. What we got next? What we got next? Finch yard. That's the home section. And let's see. What are we doing? That's that. We got all that. So that's done. Household is next. Household number of images. Or I'm sorry, members and ages. That's gonna be weird. We're just gonna do a text area for that. So we'll just do that right below here. So we already have one. So I think I'm just gonna get that and copy it over just to make, you know, life a little easier. Let's see. So what we're doing here is just trying to get this application form together for puppy adoption. It's a rather long and informative form. So I wish there was a way to like just click an area and say add here. You ever see the way that the tables work in Confluence? I would love something similar to that where you just come here and say boop add. It's just so much easier. Because right now what we have to do oh, it's so annoying. Okay. This one I'm just going to move. We're moving it to. Oh. Oh. I think the form 5 field group. Drop. Oh. Darn it. Here? Yeah, it's fine. And then we'll just delete this this one because we don't need that one yet. All right, cool. Let's see here. We will go ahead and the next part. Next part is going to be our household members and ages. And let's see here. All right, household members and ages. And work schedule, hours away is important. Oh, I just realized that might have been going into the mic. Did it? No, I don't have that mic on. Okay, cool. Sorry. Thought for a minute there because I was playing with that the mic on here that it was causing issues. And then I'll come in here and have to get all these going. Oh, sorry, I'm getting tired. Did not realize I wasn't in chat on YouTube, so sorry. Did not mean to do that. Okay. So I have this top one, children at home, but then it's got work schedule. So I think I'm gonna do like the two, and then say chill with the, yeah. Oh, battery died in my mouse. Excuse me. Let's get that fixed. One of the coolest things, and I've had these for a long time, is these in-loop rechargeable batteries. Because this doesn't have, I don't have to worry about like it dying and not be able to work with it or have to hook it up or whatever. So I have these lithium-ion Panasonic in-loop batteries, and they work awesome. And I just keep it on my desk. Comes in a nice little case. I don't know if my fuzziness is gonna let it show up. Let's see here. Yeah, it shows up. It's okay. And I've had this thing for years, and it has like four AAA and four AA, and then it has like adapters for C and D. I've only used adapters every once or twice, but the AAA, don't put them in remotes. Your kids, I lost my AAAs for years because they were in somebody's remote somewhere. And it made me upset. I was like, where is my batteries? It took forever for me to get all the batteries back. Okay, we were going to do the two, so let's do that. Let's do a 2-column here. Do 2-column, and then we'll drag it right here above. Yep, just like that. And then instead of it being those guys, we're actually going to come up here and get one of these guys. But I'm going to go ahead and give this a name so we can reuse it. Div block 6. No, we're going to call it, what are we going to call this? Oh no. Put it back. Put it back. Because div block 6 doesn't sound very nice. We're going to call it form field horizontal toggle. Yeah? Do we like that? Look, good name. I think it's a good name. And so we're just going to copy that. And then we're going to put that down here one time. And down here 2 times. And then let's go ahead and rename these and get it cleaned up. Again, we're calling this children at home and pet allergies. Hmm. Okay. Um, dang it. I'm having a real hard time here. Sorry. Nineteen 20. Actually, guys, I have to go take a break real quick. I will be right back. For now, though, I'll put some music back on for a few minutes and try to be back in just a second. I do apologize for that. I will be back as soon as I can.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
right, sorry about that. Okay, so where were we? We did the children at home. Okay, so now we actually have to like fix the actual form elements themselves, because right now they are still still, what do you call it? Oh man, how do I do this? Won't bring up this thing. Hmm. Am I going to have to delete them? Because it's not it's not bringing up the option for me to change it. Oh, that's annoying. That's super annoying. Just bring it up, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, there's a radio button. There's there it is. There it is. Oh, I said it's that. I don't seem to be able to. It's not bringing up the. All right, fine. Screw it. I give up. I'm not fighting with you. I said I'm not fighting with it, but here I am trying to delete it, and it's still there. It's still there. Go away. Go away. Delete. Where's dialect when you need one? Okay. They've got to get this typing thing fixed. It's so annoying. Okay. I'm just going to duplicate this one right here. Yes, yes. Double yes. There's always children at home. And no. Mm-hmm. Oh, I didn't mean to default it. Did I default it? Because I made it required. I don't know. How did it get defaulted? No, that's not. Okay. All right, let's do the same thing over here. Now that I know what I'm doing with the form, I can actually fix it. Let's say, not, it's not home type. What is it? What is it? Pet allergies. Pet allergies. Yes. No. Okay. What's next? And then the next one's going to be like a toggle off on its own. I'm actually kind of ready to take a break because this form is tedious. Super tedious. And then I still got to go back through here and like fix all of these as well. But then I'll be basically done with the site. Which I'm super excited about. I'm ready to be done with this project so I can move on to my next one. Because other projects are fun too. I'm debating if I'm debating on doing other streaming stuff. Like I like doing Code sometimes. So if you go to Code Wars, that's a good one. And then of course, Leak Code is another one as well. So I'm debating if I want to like start streaming those as I'm going through them. I know a lot of people do that. But those are always interesting to see because you get to see me struggle really hard on getting through those. But this one costs. Let's see how much it is. Let's see. Premium. No, I guess not. You can get it for free. This one I've always used. Code Katas. Whoa, it's asking to be authorized. You've been authorized. Oh, use Firefox. Good, that has my last pad. Code Wars is always fun. Let's see. Yeah, and so you can come in here and you like choose the language, choose the thing. I think the last set I did on here was Haskell. So let's see here where. Yeah, I don't think I succeeded this one. Or did I? Oh, I did. Did I actually complete this one? Huh. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, no solution. Maybe I don't know. You see me struggle on these. But I may pick a different language or I may start over because I haven't done Haskell in a really long time. Long time. And it is not for the faint of heart. Although I do like it. Um, the other thing to try would be like Python. Python's pretty popular and I really like Python. Not doing that. Or we can do Swift. Swift would be fun. Swift or TypeScript or Haskell or yeah, Rust. R. Rust. Oof. I don't know anything about Rust. So I don't want to pick that up out of the blue. Or Go. Go would be fun too. I don't know. Probably stick with Python for a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna log because I got some other things to do. It's already 8 a.m. So I'm gonna get started on some of the other stuff I gotta get done. Thanks for joining me today. I do appreciate your time. I'll probably be back Monday or Tuesday and just try to finish this up entirely. Or if presuming I don't finish it up before then. But nice hanging out with you guys and have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Till next Tuesday.